Hello and welcome to this tutorial for how to install EuroForMix. This guide, it only works with an internet connection with no firewall. So this guide has been tested with R4.6, which is the latest version. So to install EuroForMix, you first have to install R, and then you have to install the required packages which EuroForMix is running, and then you install the EuroForMix package. Optionally, you can also make it possible to easily uh, run EuroForMix. We will come back to this. So if you have Linux on Mac, it's also possible to follow these installation guides available on the web page. But for now, the remaining instructions is for Windows only. To install R, you go to this web page. You click download R here, which downloads a file, and you open the file. Make sure that you have the admin rights and click agree to open the installer. Once the installer is running, you say next to all steps to finish the installation. It's also possible to run older R versions, which are archived in this link. Okay, to install the required R packages, we open R, click the icon, and we will copy paste this command here. And once the command is executed, you select the country which is closest to yours and click OK. This will install the packages required by EuroForMix. So the first time you are installing these packages, you will have a question whether you want to create a personal folder where the packages are installed, and you click yes to this. So to install EuroForMix, you copy this text here, you paste it into R, and this will install EuroForMix. So now everything is ready to try it. And we will check if we are able to open EuroForMix by running this command in R. We successfully opened EuroForMix by seeing this window. To close EuroForMix, you cross the button here, X, and similar for R, you click also the cross. When you have this question, say workspace image, you always say no. Okay, so we will now check if EuroForMix works. I open R again, and this time I will run this command, copy paste this command in R, and this will open a project with a data set, and I select evid1 and p1, and I click weight of evidence. And then I will click on quantitative LR. So if everything is fine, you will see this process. And finally, you obtain the LR from the program in a separate window. Okay, so now it's like that. Oh, EuroForMix is opened by running the library EFM command. But let's say I want to always open EuroForMix directly. One possibility is to open a new R session, and I will click and I will copy paste this command here, the first command. I put in this command and I close R and I open R again. Now this time I open R. EuroForMix is automatically open. Okay, this is good. But what if I want to undo it? To undo this automatically execution of EuroForMix, you will have to go into the document folder where a file called rdata is created. You have to delete this rdata file. Okay, so there is also a possibility to create a new R icon with EuroForMix specifically. So this is what this guide is doing. There are also other R packages which is part of the EuroForMix family. Go to the web page for more information, or the GitHub pages for each of these tools. To install these tools, you can follow these instructions. Okay, thank you for listening. See you next time.